Kingdom in Dunukofia local government area of Anambra State, southeast Nigeria, on Friday, 24th September, marked the beginning and the end of the 2021 farming season with the celebration of Ewaji Ofu, which simply means New Yam Festival. According to the tradition of the people of Ukulu Kingdom, the New Yam Festival is annual thanksgiving to God for a successful farming season and bountiful harvest. This 2021 celebration took place at the palace of His Royal Majesty, where the people of the community expressed happiness and gratitude to God for granting them a bountiful harvest. The traditional ruler of Ukulu Kingdom, His Royal Majesty, Igwe Peter Oyanwa, in the company of visiting traditional rulers, members of the Igwe's cabinet, as well as leadership of Ukulu Town Union and the entire members of the Ukulu community, marked the celebration in a colorful manner and atmosphere of joy and happiness. As is often the case, the Ukulu New Yam Festival started with a holy mass. Prayers were also offered for the traditional monarch of Ukulu Kingdom, His Royal Majesty Igwe Peter Oyanwa, Ezedike Ukulu Kingdom, his wife, His Royal Majesty Ocheze Elizabeth Oyanwa, the royal family, the Ukulu Traditional Council members, the leadership of Ukulu Development Union, and the entire people in the community. The high point of the occasion was the cutting and eating of the new yam by Igwe Oyanwa. The significance of this aspect of the New Yam celebration was followed by paying of homage by his subjects.
I went in the Kekene. Kedivi Romama, then I want GI now what today.
While thanking God for a successful farming season and bountiful harvest, Ezedike Ukulu Kingdom extolled the giant stride of the administration of the Anambra State Governor, Chief Willie Obiano. He commended Governor Obiano for his support for the social and economic progress of Ukulu Kingdom.
Jendo Kainawa, Judo, Najoga Niru, Oya de la Anambra State in Amma. Kineken, Goziwagene, Anambra, Ne Governor Willie Obiano, Okutalinde Kwevi Kachevi Naweba. Ne Porto Olola Iva, Kineken, Bito Kainayo, Nenaka, Anyabu Airport. Anambra nile wado apule no dawane me oya adeli Governor Willie Obiano ma onye lulu airport nya Anambra omekwe ni iboma aya waneke aya wahi loye aya wa nabo aya wana mpo in Jesus name.
He's our Igwe, so we are here to support him spiritually and otherwise. So we've come to felicitate with him on the occasion of Ewaji, which is also our Igbo culture. And religion is not even against the culture. The God who created us gave us something that will make us to be alive here on earth. And yam for the Igbos is part of the major recipe for us to thrive and live. And so we, the Igbo community, commemorate the Yam Festival, and is a sign that God has blessed the year.
New Yam Festival is a big festival in Nigeria, in the Igbo land. So, and Ukulu as a kingdom, we celebrate it every year. And Ezedike himself was personally celebrating it too, our last Igwe before him. So he also doing it single-handedly. So that is the reason why the Amago village gathered together to pay him a homage.
So if I never tap on an eligible and then my geofu buzes yakene chineke, Makoninya, Nkifofu, Nkonenya, Stena Comive, Stefano Diobuna, I name Chineke, and Bobuna eligible, Naiha Malamine, Gone Meline, Makanokale. No soji, man not from G, Kesi and Yakwek, and it's nearly Hendios on a Megasin and Duani. So it's a very special day, and I'm very happy.
I started following him right from when I was small. So I pray that God will guide him. He will move from one level of glory to another.
Among them were the good people of Ukulu community, as well as visiting traditional rulers, friends and well-wishers. Others include representatives of corporate organizations, various socio-cultural groups, prominent politicians, captains of industry, top government functionaries, and business associates. Some of them took time to speak on the significance of the annual New Yam celebration and its potentials for building communal bond and unity among people of the community and their neighbors.
As chairman of Unukofia, I was invited, and we're supposed to come and do the needful. The message to Ukulu Kingdom is that peace will reign in the kingdom.
Well, my relationship with Ukulu Kingdom, particularly Ezedike Ukulu, has been a very good one. He's been a good friend and a very supportive one. So today I'm here to thank God with him as he celebrates the New Yam Festival. As you can see, everybody who is somebody is here, and we thank God for him and for Ukulu Kingdom.
Gallant Ladies International, led by its president, Mrs. Oyom Ifoma Anyaka, in solidarity with Her Royal Majesty Ocheze Elizabeth Oyanwa, also came to pay homage to His Royal Majesty Igwe Peter Oyanwa, the Ezedike Ukulu Kingdom.
It's very fantastic. We are very happy because Igwe is the one of the Igwe in Dunukofia. So everybody is very happy today because of the New Yam Festival. You can see that everybody is here.
I've never observed this type of thing before. I just came for the first time to observe it, and I can see I have something to take home.
Ezedike is our key customer, is a royal customer of Keystone Bank. He has been supporting the bank over years. So today we decided to come and celebrate with him his New Yam Festival. That is why we're here.
The university community was also not left out, as top officials and staff of the Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University, Ibariam, came in their numbers. The celebration reached a climax with the conferment of chieftaincy title on High Chief Obiora Kenneth Nwachukwu, Ebubechukwu I na Ikulu by Ezedike Ikulu Kingdom to mark the New Yam Festival. Also arriving to felicitate with Igwe Ezedike Ikulu Kingdom was the candidate of Zenith Labour Party for the 2021 Anambra governorship election, High Chief Dr. Obiora Okonkwo Dikora, who came with his supporters to pay homage to the traditional ruler of Ikulu Kingdom.
Ezedike Ukulu, a very good friend, one of the most influential, outspoken, courageous Igwe in Anambra and Igbo land. He's a good friend, and I'm happy to be here with them today to celebrate the great culture of Igbo land, New Yam Festival. This is the way it should be done, and I am happy that we are getting proud and proud every day and every day as we celebrate this great culture of ours.
Other governorship candidates who were also at Ikulu New Yam Festival include Senator Andy Oba of All Progressive Congress, APC.
He's been my friend. Every time he comes around to do this festival, we're always here to see him. And I know he's been going with the community very well, dealing with them, taking care of all their problems. So we'll continue to support him for what he's doing. That's why we're here today.
We are here in solidarity with the Igwe of Ukulu, of course, who happens to also be our friend. So, and in such occasion, you expect that your friends should come around and felicitate with you. So that is exactly why we are here, to wish him well, to thank God for what God has done for him, and to also pray with him, hoping that next year will be far better.
Wonderful, wonderful. You know, there's no celebration like the New Yam Festival, I must tell you. Honestly, it's been a wonderful day here in Ukwu. Ezedike himself has proven the man he is. And our now we are in a very different manner. Honestly, you should have been here. Next time you should be here if you missed this one.
The member representing Njikoka and Neocha Dunukofia Federal Constituency, Honorable Dozie Nwankwo, also came to pay homage and felicitate with Igwe Ezedike Ukulu Kingdom.
If I never have that kind of Igwe is the dicker, Igwe was swagger, Igwe was shape, Igwe Cassi Igwe, I have a kind of Eliana 1 G on hour. If I'm what I didn't have Diego, because ọ bụ na igwe wapụzia ji onye ọbụla elibe ji and ị na-anya ife dị iche taa mmanwụ apụtago everything apụtago o gosi na anyị anarịgo back to square one na anyị anachietego to omenala anyị maka na omenala na-achọ ka ọ gbanarị anyị ma anyị anachietego azụ na ya ọbụ anyị na-agọla igwe Ezechike bụ na nke a bụ ji ka ọ wale na Disemba ọbụla ya adị egwu ọbụla ibe dị iche ya adị nke ọbụla ya bụ times 10 ibe emele taa.
A renowned prophet, Chukwuemeka Ohanemere, popularly known as Odumeje, also visited the palace of Ezedike Ikulu Kingdom.
Ihe mere na ije mụ na ya bụ ije Ugonama na Oishi kpọrọ nkụ maka Oishi kpọrọ nkụ na Ugonama adịka na mma o ji abụ Ugonama na-eje njem mgbe ọ na-eje ọ dị ndụ ọnọ n'isi ya ochie ya ndị ọ na-anachighị azụ ọ nwụrụ anwụ ọnọ na ya ọ tụpụtara ya Oishi ọ ya eri ụmụ ukwuru nwere mmadụ anyị kwudo mmadụ na ana ukwuru ka anyị batara na enwere oke nwa n'ukwuru nwa oke Oishi n'ukwuru ọya ukwuru ji dee ebe mana ọdịmma m na igwe be ha bụ ọdịmma Ugonama na Oishi kpọrọ nkụ onye mere m ji ekweta na mma abịa maka na ya ada bụ unu na-akụrụ gbamgbam ọ mmadụ ka anyị ji aba.
A popular high life musician, Edu Oliver De Cook, and other performing musicians took the center stage to also entertain the guests. His Royal Majesty Igwe Peter E. Oyanwa, Ezedike Ikulu Kingdom, on behalf of Ikulu Kingdom, expressed appreciation and gratitude for everyone who graced the occasion.
Royal Majesty Igwe Peter Oyanwa